Welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how to set up a new keyboard in Windows 10. Most keyboards will work straight away when you connect them, but just in case it doesn't, we'll hopefully cover how to fix it. I'll also show you some of the settings that you might want to change to customize your keyboard too. Firstly, you'll want to ensure that you are connecting the keyboard to the correct port. This will probably be a USB port, but you will need to check if your keyboard needs USB 2, which is the older USB port. If your keyboard isn't brand new, then it may be USB 2, and if you don't have any USB 2 ports on the front of your case, there should be some on the back of it. If one port doesn't work, then it's worth trying each of the ports on your PC until it does. If it still doesn't work, there might be another problem. Feel free to skip ahead a bit if your keyboard is working as it should. A quick way to check for problems is to troubleshoot your keyboard. You can do this by going to the main settings page, which can be accessed by clicking on the cog icon from within the Start menu. In Settings, go to Update and Security, then Troubleshoot from the options on the left. Now find Keyboard and click on it and select Run the Troubleshooter. Allow Windows to find and fix any problems. If your keyboard still doesn't work properly, then click the card on screen now to go to a video of mine that will show you some other possible solutions. I'll also link this video in the description too. Moving on, we'll now make sure that we have the latest drivers installed for our keyboard. You can do this whether your keyboard is working or not. Firstly, you might be able to download and install the latest drivers directly from the manufacturer's website. Search the make and model of your keyboard to see if they are available. We can also let Windows search for drivers for us. To do this, go to the device manager first. You can get here by searching for it in the search bar, or by right-clicking on the Start menu icon in the bottom left. In the device manager, find the section that says Keyboards and click on the arrow to expand it. Now find your keyboard on the list. It's likely that it will be the only option, but you can always update the drivers for however many there are if you are unsure on which keyboard is the one you are using. Double-click on it to open a new window. In this window, click on the Driver tab, which should be the second option. Now click Update Driver and then choose the Automatic option. Allow Windows to search for and install any driver updates if there are any. Depending on your keyboard manufacturer, there may be some software for you to download in order to customize it, for example if it has RGB lighting. The place to get this software will likely be included on or in the box, but check on the website if you are unsure. We'll now look at changing some of the settings of your keyboard. Feel free to change whatever you want on the next few pages, as some of you may want different things. The first settings we can change can be accessed by going to the typing settings. To get here, go to the main settings page, which can be accessed by clicking on the cog icon from within the Start menu. In Settings, go to Devices and then choose Typing from the options on the left. There are some things in here that you can change, such as allowing for text suggestions. There are also a few more additional settings pages that can be accessed by clicking the blue links below these settings. The next settings that we can change can be accessed by going to the Control panel, which can be found by searching for it. In the Control panel, click on the blue View Devices and Printers link under where it says Hardware and Sound. Now find your keyboard. It should be somewhere on the top row. Right-click on it and select Keyboard Settings. You can change the repeat delay, repeat rate, and test it, as well as change the cursor blink rate. Finally, the last settings you might be interested in changing are found in the Ease of Access Center. You can get there by going back to the main settings page, and this time choosing Ease of Access. Now click on Keyboard from the options on the left. In here, you can change things like turning off sticky keys, as well as other options. And so that's how to set up and customize the settings of your keyboard in Windows 10. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments and I will try and reply as soon as I can. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in another video.